Hi, I'm Jessica Kasparian. I'm the beauty editor at Reviewed, and today I'm going to be telling you about the Revlon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer and its newer counterpart, the Revlon One-Step Plus. Both Revlon One-Steps are designed to be a one-and-done hairstyling solution, so they're supposed to help you get rid of that hair dryer, flat iron, round brush situation where you have to balance all three trying to do your hair. And the way it works is that it acts like a hairbrush and also a hair dryer, so you run it through your hair and it's detangling your hair while also drying it. And it's supposed to add volume to your hair when you brush it over the curved edge, and the flat edge is supposed to smooth it and add some shine. So I find the best way to use this is to start with your hair slightly damp and then put it into small sections and run the hairdryer through it from root to tip. You can even curl at the ends if you want a little bit more bounce. Unlike a typical hair straightener or curling iron, you don't need to wait for this to heat up. You just choose one of the settings, low, medium, or high, and you're good to go. If you're looking into buying one of these, one of the first things you'll notice is that the Plus actually costs more than the original, and that's for a few reasons. So one, when you'll unbox them, you'll notice that this one's a little bit slimmer. So it actually has a slightly more round brush head rather than more oval, and it's a little bit slimmer this way. It also has a slightly slimmer, easier to grip handle compared to the original. For the Plus version, Revlon added a medium temperature setting in addition to the low, hot, and cool settings that the original already has. Revlon also claims that the Plus has a longer lasting motor for 40% more life. The original doesn't make any claims about the lifespan, so we're not exactly sure what that means. Personally, I've owned the original for about 3 years and it's still going strong. While I've tried and loved both of the Revlon One-Steps, here's why I would go with the Plus. The smaller head actually makes it easier to maneuver around my hair and create a nice curl at the ends of my hair for a more bouncy, voluminous style. The Plus is overall smaller, slimmer, and lighter, which made it easier for me to style my hair. This meant that I could wrap my hair more easily around the smaller head, and it was easier to grip and maneuver the lighter handle. Even though I really like this, there are still some flaws. Revlon didn't address some of the complaints that came up with the original, which is that it has a really high-pitched noise and also gets really, really hot, so you might burn yourself. The other thing is that the Plus usually runs around $70 and doesn't go on sale as often as the original, but you're bound to get the same looking hairstyle whether you use the Plus or the original. Overall, the pros are that the Plus has the same amazing styling capabilities as the original. It's easier to maneuver and it has a better weight distribution. The cons are that it's more expensive without any drastic improvements. While I think both Revlon One-Steps are worth it, I would go with the Plus just because of all of those little things that really add up to a better styling experience, like how easy it is to maneuver and also its lighter weight. So sure, the Plus is more expensive, but when you compare that to having a straightener, a curling iron, a hairbrush, it actually isn't that bad. For the full review of the Revlon One-Step Plus, head over to reviewed.com, and thanks for watching.